Hello children, welcome back to your English class, and today we are going to learn articles a, an and the. Before we start learning about articles children, let us first revise our English alphabets. I am sure they must be on your fingertips because alphabets are the basics to English which you learn in your pre-primary. So, let us revise the English alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, then you go to bed. Wow, such a lovely rhyme on alphabets. Now tell me, how many alphabets are there in English? Children, there are 26 alphabets in English. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets in English. Okay. Now, out of the 26 alphabets, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. 21 consonants and 5 vowels. This I am going to teach you in the next. English alphabets can be divided in two parts, consonants and vowels. Now, vowels are also English letters and consonants are also English letters. It is just that the vowel letters have been selected as special letters and removed from the alphabet chart into the new chart. Like when you write ABCD or when you write your alphabets children, you start with A. But here in the consonant chart, you can see that your alphabets start with B because A is a vowel, so it has been removed and placed in the vowel segment. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are consonants. Now, in the next picture you have vowels. A has been removed and placed in the vowel column. E has been removed and placed here. I, O and U similarly have been placed in the vowels column. Why? Because these are some special alphabets which are used in special places. So, again I repeat, English alphabets can be divided in two parts, consonants and vowels. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. It's time to learn the use of articles and what are articles. Children, a, an and the are known as articles. And where do we use them? How do we use them? This I am going to explain to you in this slide. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant. As I have already explained to you what are consonants and what are vowels. So let me repeat children. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So I'll give you more examples of where to use a and where to use an and where to use the. As you can see, a beautiful picture of a yummy cake over here. Cake. C-A-K-E. What is the spelling of cake? C-A-K-E. And the first letter of this word is C. C is a consonant. So we will write a cake. We will write a with cake. Mango. Mango. The first letter of this word is M or M, and it is a consonant. So again we will write a mango. Rose. R-O-S-E. What is the first letter? R, or in phonic sound it is R, and R is a consonant. Here also we will write a rose. Now we come to the use of an. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel, and there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Here there is a picture of alligator. Such a scary animal, isn't it? I am very scared of it. I'm sure you are also very scared of it. Alligator. And what is the spelling of the scary animal? A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. And the first letter is A. A is a vowel. So when this word is starting with a vowel letter, before this word we will write an alligator. Next is ink pot. Next is ink pot. I-N-K-P-O-T. I is again a vowel, so we will write an ink pot. Owl. Such a cute little owl sitting on a tree, isn't it? And what is the spelling of this cute little animal? O-W-L. The first letter of the spelling of owl starts with O, and O is a vowel. So again we will write an owl. And children, you know, a or an are used only for a singular noun. As you can see, all the pictures, they are all single. Single means one. One cake, one mango, one rose, one alligator, one ink pot, one owl. So a or an are used for a singular noun. Singular noun means when you are talking only of one person, one animal, one thing. Singular means one. Now the use of the. Children, you will have to concentrate and understand the use of the, and so that you are able to write this word in the correct places and make proper sentences by using this word the. The is used for particular person, place, animal or thing. Particular means that we are very sure that we are talking only of this person, or we are only talking of this book, or we are only talking of this mountain, this river. So when we are talking in particular about something, then we use the word the. And we are generally using this word the when we talk of rivers, mountains, monuments. Monuments means buildings, historical buildings like Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. And people of countries. People of countries means like we are living in India, and India is our country, and because we live in India, so we are called Indians. The Indians are very brave. The Indians. Indians are people who live in India, and we are using the with that word. Same way, people living in Japan are called the Japanese people. The Japanese. People living in Australia, the Australians. This is what people of countries mean, children. B. When we have already talked about a thing before, like supposing I say, I saw an elephant in the forest yesterday. I saw an elephant in the forest yesterday. Now, when I say the first sentence, I am telling you I saw an elephant. I am telling you about the elephant. And then I say the elephant had big ears, because I have already told you about the elephant that I saw in the jungle. So I am telling you further that the elephant had big ears. I am telling you about the same elephant that I saw in the jungle. C. It is used both before words that begin with a vowel as well as a consonant. Like children, A is used only before the consonant words, an is used only before the vowel letter words, but the can be used in both cases. You can write the before consonant words, and you can write the before vowel words also. Okay, children? So I hope I have been able to explain to you the use of a and the, so that you are able to read and write correctly. Okay? Now here are some more examples of the use of the. I am reading a book. The book is very interesting. I am reading a book. So I am telling you that I am reading a book. And I have already talked about that book. So now I will say the book is very interesting, because I have already talked about that book. I have told you about that book. So when I write again the same thing, I will use the word the. The sun shines brightly, because there is only one sun. Do we have 3, 4, 5 suns? Do we see 3, 4, 5 suns, children? No, we see only one beautiful sun shining brightly in the sky. So because there is only one sun, and it is a special sun, so we will say the sun. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. There is only one Taj Mahal in the entire world, children. In the whole world, you will find only one Taj Mahal. You don't have 2 or 3 or 4 Taj Mahals. So because we are talking of a beautiful monument which is known as Taj Mahal, and there is only one Taj Mahal, so we will say the Taj Mahal. The moon is smiling. Now there is only one moon. We don't have 3, 4 moons. So here again we are going to say the moon is smiling. We can't say a moon is smiling. We will use a moon is smiling. It will be wrong. Why? Because we have only one moon. We don't have 3, 4 moons. So we have to write the, not a moon. The sun, not a sun. A we can use when we have choice to make. we have plenty of things, and out of that you have to select any one sun or one moon. But here we have only one moon or one sun. So because they are all special things, we have already talked about them, or there is only one Taj Mahal, one sun or one moon in particular, so we will use the word the. Okay, now let us practice a little more in the form of these two activities. Complete the sentences with the correct article. A. My uncle is an engineer. Why have I written an, children? Because engineer begins with a vowel letter E. So, my uncle is an engineer. Next sentence. Dash Times of India is a good newspaper. Now you know, children, Papa reads a newspaper every day, even Mama reads newspaper, Dadaji reads a newspaper. So there are different types of newspapers with different names. Now, Times of India is also one of the leading newspapers of our country. Okay, so it is a special newspaper. So I have written the Times of India is a good newspaper because Times of India is only one newspaper, and there is no other Times of India. There is Dainik Jagran, there is Nav Bharat Times. So Times of India is a particular type of newspaper, and I have written the Times of India. Next is I have a pet dog. Why have I written a over here? I have written a because pet is a word which starts with the consonant letter P. Next, I saw an owl on the tree. Owl, as I showed you the picture of an owl in my previous slide, children. So, owl starts with the vowel letter O. So, here we have written an owl. Now, look here in the second exercise, write a or an in the correct places. Cycle. Cycle. The first letter of this word is C. C is a consonant. So, the answer is a cycle. Next, umbrella. Umbrella. The first letter of umbrella is A or U, and U is a vowel. So, the answer will be an umbrella. Balloon. Balloon. The first letter is consonant, so the answer is a balloon. Last word is spoon. Spoon. So the first letter of this word is S, and S is a consonant. So I have written a spoon. So children, this was the practice sheet where I have told you all the answers, but in my next slide I am going to give you an assignment sheet which you will be required to do it on your own. So here is an interesting assignment for you, children. As now you have learnt about articles, a and the. What is the role of articles? Where do you add a and the before consonants or before vowels? And in my previous slide, we have done a practice sheet also with all the answers. So now this assignment you are going to do on your own, and you can take the help of the previously recorded slides. Okay, now I am going to read this for you so that you can understand better. This is a short story wherein you have to fill in all the blanks with the correct articles a and the. One day, dash peacock finds dash little seed. Soon there comes dash rabbit. It asks, "Can I help you?" "Yes," says dash peacock. "Please help me plant this seed." So dash rabbit helps the peacock plant dash seed. Along comes dash elephant. It asks, "How can I help you?" "Can you please water dash seed?" says dash rabbit. So dash elephant waters the seed. Soon dash seed grows into dash little plant. Dash little plant grows into dash big tree, and big red apples grow on dash tree. Children, you have to write a, an, or the in the correct places. Just be very careful that when you are going to write a, an, or the, read the word that is written and the first letter of that word. If it is a consonant, then you have to write a. If it is a vowel, then you have to write an. And if you think that it is telling you something that has already been explained or talked about, or it is something in particular that they are talking about, then you have to write the. I'm sure you're going to enjoy completing this story. Okay, so do it well, try and understand better with a lot more practice at home. So thank you, children, for being good listeners. Do well, take care of yourself. Bye bye.